Hi, I'm Alistair from the Mower Shack, and this is the ATCO GT30H for hydrostatic, made by Stiga. ATCO is one of our great heritage brands. It's a beautiful colour, it's well designed, and this year it's been upgraded to the 450cc Stiga engine, 240 litre grass box with tipping handle, and you can mulch with this. There's an optional mulching plug which goes in the back, sits above the blades. You don't have to collect the grass. Ideal for on those slightly wet days, or if it's got a bit longer or you've missed a mow. This is actually one of my favourite machines, and we'll just go into a little bit more detail with it now. So just before I start it, I'll just show you a few more things in detail. We've got 7 height adjustments for the cutting deck. We have the 240 litre grass box on the back with the lever. It's easy to remove this, and also you can pop in the mulching plug. The gears are automatic. That's what the H is for hydrostatic. So all you need to do, foot down on the pedal, the more you press, the faster you go. Lift your foot off, the machine stops. Into reverse with your heel. Again, the more you press down, the faster you'll go. We've got our larger wheels for this year. In here, we have the Stiga 450cc, which is a more powerful engine. There's a lot of torque in this, and it's ideal for this model. We've got the throttle with the choke at the top, makes it very simple to start, and then we have our pull for engaging the blades, push them off. There's wash ports on the deck, so when you finish cutting, you can put a hose on, engage the blades, and it washes underneath and takes all that acidic dirt off the bottom of the machine. So, let me show you it running. So, like all of these Stiga engines, it's really easy to start this. Just up onto full revs. If it doesn't start after the first turn, pop it onto full choke. There we go, and we're away. So even though I'm on full revs, I can now choose what speed I want to go at, whether it be fast or slow. So I can speed up on the easy bits, and then for those tighter corners, I can slow down. So this is a 30-inch deck. This machine will actually go through a normal garden gate. Its total width is about 34 inches. And as you can see, I can get lots of power from that 450cc engine. This is available with nationwide delivery. All you've got to do is put some fuel in it, jump on and go. And this Stiga ATCO heritage brand with this beautiful British racing green is probably one of Stiga's finest machines, and I'm very impressed with it.